Bitcoin can feel confusing at first, but at its core, it's actually simple. It's digital money. Money that lives on the internet, enabling direct peer-to-peer transactions without needing approval from governments, banks, or companies. This system is run by code and secured by a global network of thousands of computers. These computers, often called miners, compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The winner gets to add the next block of transactions to the public ledger, a process called proof of work that keeps the entire network honest and secure. Because of this design, no single person owns it. No one can turn it off. No one can change the rules. One of the most important rules is its supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. No more! This fixed supply is a core feature, making it a deflationary asset. Unlike traditional currencies that can be printed indefinitely, Bitcoin's scarcity is written into its code. Every single transaction is recorded on the blockchain, a transparent digital ledger that anyone in the world can view and verify. A new block of these transactions is added roughly every 10 minutes, forming an unbreakable, chronological chain that goes all the way back to the very beginning. This technology lets you send value anywhere in the world without asking for permission or worrying about arbitrary limits. And while network fees and speeds can sometimes be a challenge, new technologies built on top of Bitcoin, like the Lightning Network, are making transactions faster and cheaper than ever. Beyond being just digital money, Bitcoin represents true digital ownership. When you hold Bitcoin, you, and only you, control the private keys to your funds. This gives you a level of sovereignty that's simply not possible when your money is held by a third party. People use Bitcoin for many reasons: to save, to protect their wealth from inflation, to send money across borders, and to achieve a new kind of financial freedom. And it's not just individuals. As of 2025, major institutions are deeply involved. Bank of America now allows its wealth advisors to recommend crypto products, and the US has even established a strategic Bitcoin reserve. So, in the simplest terms, Bitcoin is programmable money that puts you in control. It's a system built on rules, not rulers, and understanding it is the first step toward navigating a new financial frontier. This guide will show you what it is, why it matters, and how to use it safely, from beginner to confident Bitcoin owner.